Bonjour everyone, welcome back to our channel. Grab a seat, get a drink, because I'm spilling all the tea on our 2021 spring summer collection. If you are new here, my name is Maya, so stay tuned for an unboxing of our Postcards from Provence collection. I'll tell you all about the aesthetic and there'll be a giveaway at the end of the video. So to begin, we're gonna first talk about the aesthetic of the box. Don't worry, because the colors are coming soon, guys. Here at Revel Now, we always put so much time into the design, the aesthetic, and really making sure we're telling a good story with every collection we put out. I personally love the whimsical style of this collection. It's so light and free and, breezy. And I ultimately love the postcard on the back from your Revel Familia. So we really wanted to convey the elements of Provence and our muted pastel color palette through this collection. And honestly, guys, I think we did a good job. Alright, now let's get into what you all have been waiting for, the colors. This year with our collection, we wanted to give a bright and soft color palette that will complement many skin tones. So starting with D583 Messy. This is a cool blue tone shade with gray undertones, perfect for a nice beachy day. D584 Jolie is a lime green pastel shade. It's quite subtle and muted, and honestly, it's perfect for spring. D585 Elodie, I know, beautiful name. She is a gold shimmer base with chunky blue and green holographic glitters. So if you want to know more about trends we're predicting for this spring, click here. I gotta say, we did mention the rise of pastels, and we're giving it to you. D586 Soiree is a coral shimmer base with pink and orange holographic flakes. These iridescent flakes are so beautiful and give off a lovely reflection. D587 Amour is a muted blush mauve with warm undertones. D588 Bisou is a medium pink rose gold shimmer. It has a champagne-like glitter, and the shade is going to look stunning in the sun. Don't forget to post your manicure using hashtag YesRevelNail. And if you're looking for that perfect mani-pedi, or your mini-me wants to match you, as always, our seasonal collections come with a matching dip powder and lacquer set. What I personally love about these colors is that they're so versatile and they can easily mix and match well. You can create seamless ombres, magical marbles. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. And I gotta say, everyone, these shades are really muted and pretty sophisticated. And if you're curious to see how we picked these shades, stay tuned for our Behind the Colors video. So everyone, that is our Postcards from Provence collection. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video as much as I did. And now for the giveaway, we will be giving away a collection to one of you viewers. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below on what place makes you feel the most magical. My most magical place is Colorado. I went for my birthday when I turned 23. The views from my house, the mountains, just absolutely beautiful. So I hope that place has the same feeling for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching with us today. Have a safe and good day, and I'll talk to you later. Merci, au revoir.